Welcome to Melilli factory. It's almost the only lab in the province of Syracuse in Melilli town, and I have been studying art. I started at the Art for Art School in Connecticut, USA. I have been one of the last immigrant families from Sicily to USA in the 1972s, and after 8 years I decided to come back to Italy. I went to Florence at the Academy and I started my studies and started working in one of the most fashionable shop in Florence. From there I liked it very much. So I thought that I would start my own business. Came back to Melilli, which is my town, in order to give to my town, to my people, the chance to work in an ethical way and artistical way. So here I am. I'm not stylish, but I'm an artist. So as you could see, I have the chance to show you. In this lab, we do textile, ceramics, and the real art. For real art, I mean arazzi, which means wall hanging, which is the painting not stretched, but loose. And if I could, always thinking and talking about this region, which is Sicily. So there's always the images of Sicily. As I was the first one to give a new world, to the ceramics model from Caltagirone, making it white and black. Now everybody has been copying it, so I'm starting something new, giving the painting, which almost nobody ever did it yet, so hoping nobody would copy it. This is one. And then, of course, our Etna, which the island of Sicily is very proud of it. Exactly. So we have Mount Etna in all their sides. We should have more time because we have like almost 30 pieces of just of Etna. And then another image is India, the prickly pears, which I don't find it here, but anyways, no, I don't find it, but I'll show another piece of Etna. They are all surrounded. And I do present them with this kind of frame, with a textile frame, because I want whoever buys it to be able to take it with you. So you fold it and then you hang it in your wall. These are the ceramics that I was talking about, the white and the black. Now we are moving into this, which is opaque, not shiny, that it looks like old because the history is the Moro, which is the Arabic person, but this technique, it's from Greece. So it's the Greek ceramics with the Arabic Moro, is the two combination I'm trying to get. That's one, and this is another one. It's the new thing. Now we go to the textile. As you can see on this tablecloth, it's one of the oldest tablecloth that our culture usually give it to their daughters, as we call dota, the dote. So because it comes white and it's all embroidered, as you can see, people don't use it anymore because they're afraid that it gets dirty or gets used. So what I did is I give hand dyeing, and then decorated, so that if we eat on it and it's wine or whatever, because it will not be dirty, but it's just part of it. The color will be part of it, and this is a new project that we are starting to give. Here we have some shirts and t-shirts. Of course, there are all our production. All is unique. There's never two of the same. This one in particular, it's silk. It's, of course, it's Italian silk, but it's hand dyed and then decorated. We try to give a personal service. If somebody asks us to make it in a special color or in a special size, we are able to do it. Just because we are artisan, we are not an industry, so we are able to do it. One by one. My technique, which I still use, as you can see now, is the patchwork, which I learned in the United States. But it's not only the artistic way, but it's an ethical way that we use and reuse every little piece of textile. We don't throw nothing away. For every little piece, there is, if you think about it, you could do something. There is a good use of it. You can make a good use out of it. So that's our thought and our thinking. The same thing with the scarves. And this is just one example. The same article in black and white. But one of our first scarves that we started with is this, which is assembling of different material. In this case, it's silk.